everyone, Hendolat Veins is coming to Houston June 1st and 2nd. Day 1, we'll discuss superficial venous disease, followed by 4 ultrasound workshop stations. Day 2, we'll dive into deep venous disease, followed by a second day of full-on ultrasound workshops that will include complex imaging. This will include ovarian vein and left renal vein imaging, iliac vein tips and tricks, and Dr. Montero and Baker and I will focus on pedal venous anatomy using duplex ultrasound as it relates to venous arterialization. So let's all learn, connect, have an informal discussion, come join the workshops, get your hands on the probe, and take back some new information that may help care for our patients. So we'll see you in Houston, June 1st and 2nd for Hendolat Veins.